Hi, in this video we'd like to talk about Hyperemesis Gravidarum treatment again, as that it's a condition that can now see effective treatment at Antai Hospital. And good news is that we are now offering remote treatment of hyperemesis by delivering our HCG desensitizer directly to your doorstep, and with the assistance of your own appointed medical professionals, you can now do this at home so that you can no longer suffer from it anymore. So this is now achievable for all our patients, regardless of where you come from, which country you reside in. You do not need to travel to us anymore, as long as you can achieve and fulfill our terms, which is to attain and appoint medical professionals who can assist you in this procedure. And then we also advise you to do this before pregnancy and not during pregnancy, because there are several complications involved and severity can vary quite drastically. So if you are during pregnancy, you still have hyperemesis, it is advised that you do travel to us if you can, so that we can offer you the best, most comprehensive, effective treatment, because we do want you to recover and also sustain the pregnancy until labor. However, if you are not pregnant right now but you are intending to conceive, then you can do this at home, and it's very easily achieved. All we need to do is 4 doses before pregnancy, and once pregnancy is achieved within a 6-month period, another 4 doses of intravenous injections, and you can now have a smooth full-term pregnancy. Now that is our guarantee that you can achieve this with our HCG desensitizer. So let's talk about hyperemesis. Hyperemesis, as we all know, especially those who suffer from it, have a history of this dreaded disease, is a severe pregnancy disorder that only affects very few women. Less than 3% of women globally suffer from this, and it is associated with severe vomiting, not only of the contents of your stomach, it also you might also vomit bile and blood as well. It's that severe. And also the constant nauseous state, the dizziness that you are in, that is never ending because of the underlying cause that is causing all your receptors to be abnormally binding with HCG, the free-flowing HCG. And another symptom that we also see is the excessive salivation. A lot of doctors are unable to explain hyperemesis. Some doctors do not even recognize it as a serious, life-threatening condition. They still compare it to morning sickness, and they do not take our patients seriously. They do not give them the proper support that they need. Even family members are not being considered in your hyperemesis condition. But Antai Hospital has already seen up to thousands of hyperemesis conditions over the past 2 decades, and we realize how debilitating and how severe it can get, and it can cause a lot of trauma, especially mentally, depression, and also fear of future pregnancies. You might give up on pregnancies because you are so afraid of the severe symptoms. Rest assured, our treatment now can effectively stop it at the root, because our HCG desensitizer now deals with the root cause by blocking these abnormal chemoreceptors, so that you don't develop any symptoms anymore, because the HCG is no longer able to bind with these receptors. Our desensitizer has blocked it, so that you can have a full-term pregnancy with no hyperemesis symptoms. As I've mentioned, the insomnia, the excessive salivation, the excessive vomiting, the nausea, and several other complications. For example, you might even develop some depression, the malnutrition, symptoms like electrolyte imbalance, symptoms like hypothyroidism, several other complications that can arise from hyperemesis, all can be nipped at the bud by using our HCG desensitizer before pregnancy, and once you conceive, another 4 doses during the first few weeks. And we can guarantee that you will have a smooth pregnancy, and you can attain your pregnancy goals by starting a family without any fear and any trauma. So we hope that you have learned something in this video, and if you'd like to receive this treatment delivered directly to you, please get in touch with us via the website. Let's assess your condition, make sure that you're not suffering from any other condition, make sure that it is in fact hyperemesis, and we can start delivering this medication directly to you. You can begin your pregnancy journey today with Antai Hospital. So we hope you enjoyed this video. Please leave me a comment down below as well.